to another exciting new video. So today we are going to see a AI tool that can generate your thumbnail within a few seconds. If you are a YouTuber and you already know how thumbnails can make a video or break a video, so if you spend hours of editing but if nobody clicks your thumbnail, your video never gets the views what it deserves. So most creators either spends a lot of time in designing thumbnails or struggle to come up with creative ideas. Here that's why AI tools like Thumbs.ai comes in. Today I will show you exactly how it works, its main features, generate real thumbnails and share my honest thoughts by the end of this video. So let's begin. These thumbnails were generated in minutes using AI, no Photoshop, no advanced design skills, no spending hours. Today I am testing a tool named Thumbs.ai. So before jumping to the demo, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit like button and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss our latest video. Basically, it helps the YouTubers to generate thumbnails and create AI facial expressions and add thumbnail effects to your video. So let's start. Head over to Thumbs.ai website. The link is provided in the description. You can check it out. So when you go to the website, you can see this type of interface. Okay, one thing I would like to say that this platform is specifically built for the YouTubers or the content creators. Unlike generic AI images generators, everything here focus on the thumbnails. So now before we starting generating thumbnails, let's talk about the free credits. New users currently receive 20 free credits immediately after signing up. That's enough for creating around 10 thumbnail generation. Then after launching your first thumbnail generation task, you receive another 10 free credits. That approximately 5 additional thumbnail generations. So altogether new users can receive a total 30 free credits before upgrading. I think that's a good way to test the platform and see whether it fits your workflow. Okay, now let's generate our first thumbnail. Now log in with your account. When you log in, you can see this type of interface. This is the explore page where you can see what are the features they are providing. When you see on the left side, they are providing the create thumbs, recreate thumbs and downloader and your assets and creations and face and emotions. Click on the create thumbs. This is probably the feature most creators will use. Instead of designing manually, we simply describe what we want. Here is the prompt I'm going to use. After pasting your prompt, click on add your face. You can create or upload your face. I'm selecting one image as a reference, and after uploading you can select any emotions. As I'm selecting shocked emotion, and once you select, you can click on the generate button. And after a few seconds you can see the new face has been generated with the shocked image of the person face. And next step, you can name the face or a character and you can use this. Next step, choose reference or a clone style. I'm selecting the subject as a reference and I'm selecting as a studio light for the subject. And after selecting this, you can see the aspect ratio for YouTube or a short video and the variations. I'm selecting 2 and click on generate thumbnail. And after a few seconds, you can see that thumbnail has been generated successfully, and we can see the result what exactly need. The same thumbnail has been generated, and in one click you can download the thumbnail. Okay, now let's try another interesting feature, recreate thumbnail. Basically you can create the thumbnail using the image, and there are 3 different methods to upload the image. First is the drag and drop, and second is the uploading the YouTube video link, and third is the using from asset what you have created earlier. As I am selecting the image from the asset what I created earlier, that is the 10 free AI tools, pasting the thumbnail prompt which is quite different from the earlier prompt. Now let's create face and emotions. Upload the image. As I am using different image this time, and select the emotion which you want. As I am selecting the surprised emotion, and after that you can click on the generate. As surprise new face will be generated from the original face. Now click save and use. Next click on the style. You can create your own style by uploading the YouTube channel link or upload the thumbnails, or you can upload the multiple YouTube video links. In subject I will select glow hello, and in text I will select as a ice texture, and in background I will select as a blurred background, and in hook I'll select a dollar and reward. And after selecting all this, you can see the aspect ratio and select the variation and click on the generate thumbnail. And after waiting few minutes, it generates a thumbnail exactly what I given the prompt and the character and the expression. Now compare the result to the previous generation. The AI understands completely different theme and adjusts the visual direction accordingly. This is useful if you create videos across different niche. And downloader is another new feature where you can download the thumbnail in a single batch or in channel. In single you can paste the YouTube video link URL, export the thumbnail, and you can download it in a 4K HD. And another feature is face and emotion, where you can upload the original face and select any emotions whichever you want, or you can also use the prompt to create a particular emotion, and after that you can click the generate button and save the face in your asset creation. So my thoughts after testing the Thumbs AI, that the biggest advantage is the speed, and instead of spending 30 to 60 minutes creating the thumbnail concept manually, you can generate multiple ideas in just a few minutes. The features I personally found most useful are the text to thumbnail generation, thumbnail recreation, and AI face and emotion generation, thumbnail enhancement effects, and multiple creative variations. Honestly, it's the best AI tools that can significantly speed up the thumbnail creation process, and it's especially for the creators who upload the videos frequently. If you'd like to try Thumbs.ai yourself, I have placed the link in the description below. You can check it out. Remember, the new user will receive 20 free credits upon sign up. Additional 10 free credits after launching their first generation task, and that's total of 30 free credits to test the platform and generate multiple thumbnail ideas. And this is a limited time bonus designed to help the users to experience the platform before upgrading. So if you try it, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.